Hi Robert, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test. I've got your Mylar film here. I'm going to do two separate tests for you. One with our clicker dies that we make in-house. These are welded steel frame dies. They're 6 or 8 point blades. The other is a steel rule die. This one was made for a sample. This is a .937 steel rule die, and this looks like a 2 point blade on this one. We'll go ahead and try the clicker die first. Now, I did a couple preliminary cuts just to see what we could do with the clicker type die. This one cut out all right. It had a couple little nicks on it though, and I'm thinking this might be due to the samples that we do with our dies. These are test dies, so they don't get sharpened as often as they should. Now this steel roll die is 3 different cavities in here, so I don't have one that's going to be a large circle like you're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first test with the steel rule die. This one's going to have a thicker board due to the height of the die. Now what I'll do is, for the test, I'll just lay this on here. I'm going to turn the die upside down. We'll put it right on here just to see how the Mylar cuts with this type of die. Okay. Now, as you can see, cuts out pretty good as far as the outline is concerned. Now, I'm not sure how your application is. You can see how they kind of concave inside the die. This type of material, when it cuts, it wants to push into the die, and that causes the little concave design here. But as you can see, the piece comes out nice and flat. It doesn't distort it at all. So I think that might be a way to do that. We could probably go with a different type of bevel on your die. This is an outside bevel. We could go with an inside bevel on it. Now I'll try it with the clicker die as well. I'll lay this one down on here. Slide it in. And as you can see, this one cuts pretty good too, and pretty cleanly as far as the edges are concerned. You can see it right around here. There's no rough edges or anything. I'm not sure exactly what kind of edge you look for on your finished product. Now, I'll go ahead and send this video over to you and call you, and we'll discuss your options. Thank you.